show you how to do this beef picanha roast. It's going to turn out great. Hang around, I'm also going to show you how to do these asparagus with tomato, Parmesan cheese, bacon on the smoker too. A good one for you. We're going to do this beef picanha. That's, or a sirloin cap, you could call it. But traditionally it's used in, if you've ever went to like Brazilian steakhouse and all, that's what they use. It's, you know, it's folded up, it's on the skewer. But today I'm going to try to do it like a prime rib. So I got this from Wild Fork. They don't sponsor this or anything, but I really like that store for cuts of meat like this. So check them out if you got a chance, or if you have one by you. Right now we're just scoring it, the fat side in a cross pattern, so we get the seasonings down in there, maybe render a little some of it out. Just do that. And all we're going to do, we're just going to hit it with some coarse black pepper, some salt, and garlic. That's all this needs. The meat's really going to be the star of this show. So let's flip it over. We'll get both sides. Got the smoker preheating at 275. And after you get done seasoning it, take notice to which way the grain runs on this cut of meat. So we're done, you're going to want to slice across it. So we're going to just fat side down. We're going to throw the thermometer in and wait for an internal temperature of 125. So let's get started on these asparagus. Here we got some lemon infused oil, but any oil will work. Olive oil, whatever you got laying around. So hit them with a little bit of oil, mix them up, get them all covered up. Now we had that garlic confit we made. We're going to throw a couple cloves on there. We're going to get back in and mix it up. Now these grates the asparagus are in. I really like them for smoking the vegetables on the grill. I'll leave a link down in the description below. So salt, pepper. And we're going to come in with that shaved Parmesan cheese. Some cherry tomatoes that we just cut in half. Sprinkle them all over. And you know we're going to throw some bacon on this too. Your bacon down. We're going to throw these on right next to the picanha. It's been going for about 25 minutes. So when that comes up to 125, we're going to pull that. So it came up to temperature 125 carryover. It's going to be perfect medium rare. We're just going to take it inside. You know, Tom Petty said the waiting is the hardest part. But trust me, this will be worth it. So just cover it and wait for them asparagus to get done. Now, traditionally, this would be done over a bed of hot coals. We just did it in the smoker at low and slow at 275. So let's cut into it and see what it looks like here. The knife runs through it like butter. Look at that, perfect medium rare. Look at the juice drip off that. This is what you just saw there. So like I said, if you ever went to a Brazilian steakhouse, they'd fold it up like a C and put the skewer through it like that. But we're just going to slice it and serve it today. I'm sorry, I was too excited. Never even recorded myself doing the taste test, but this turned out unbelievable. Plated it up with some Linese potatoes. And don't sleep on them asparagus. That was one of the best vegetable dishes I think I ever made. Hit it with some chimichurri, and thanks for watching, as always.